Okay, what I'd like to do now is to give you a brief explanation of how to solve a specific type of rational equation. This is an equation where on both sides of the equation you have a rational expression and there are no additional terms. So if you look at example 1, you'll see on the left side there is a rational expression t minus 2 over t plus 3, and on the right hand side is 3 over 8. And the way we solve those kinds of rational equations is by cross multiplying. So 8 times t minus 2 will be on the left side, and 3 times t plus 3 will be on the right side. Okay, then we do the multiplication, and then you will get 8 times t minus 2 equals 3 times t plus 3. And then now we want to isolate the variable t, right? So what we do here is, first of all, we multiply out the term on the left of the parentheses using the distributive property. So we're going to get 8t minus 16 is equal to 3t plus 9. And then the next equation, if we subtract 16 from both sides, we'll get 8t minus 3t minus 16 equals 9, and then 5t minus 16 is equal to 9, and then 5t is equal to 25. We added 16 to both sides, and then we divide by 5, and the final answer is t is equal to 5. So that's one kind of example, and this next one is a little bit more involved. In this case, we have a quadratic term. We have x squared as one of the terms. But the principle is still the same. We still cross multiply. So there will be x squared times 1 is equal to 2 times x plus 4. Okay, so now if we use the distributive property on the right hand side, we'll get 2x plus 8. And on the left hand side, x squared times 1 is just x squared. So now we have x squared is equal to 2x plus 8. If we move the terms on the right, if we subtract those from both sides, we'll get a quadratic equation. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. And then we have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 2 and whose product is minus 8. And those are 2 and minus 4. So then we set it up by breaking up the middle term, minus 2x into plus 2x minus 4x. And then we factor the first two terms and the second two terms, and we'll get as our finally factored form x minus 4 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then to find out what x is, we set each of those equal to 0, and we'll get x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the answers are x equals 4 and x is equal to minus 2.